how to mix healing clay for your hair. Keep watching. Hey guys, so let's get into it. All right, so grab your bentonite clay. Please make sure that the seal is on there. Because of course, no tampering. Oh yeah, don't come for my hands. I know I'm ashy. Anyway, just go ahead and open your bentonite clay. You guys already know how I do it. I do not measure. I eyeball my ingredients. So yeah, welcome to my channel. We don't measure over here. We just eyeball everything. It's so sad, but so true. Anyway, I had a little bit of, yes, it's $1. I picked this up at Big Lots, the apple cider vinegar. It's great. It's great for the hair. So anyway, I had a little bit left over, so I figured, as usual, guys, you know how I do it, throw it in there. So now I'm adding the apple cider vinegar to the clay and, of course, the reaction that you see. Now I grab my plastic whisk. Make sure you're using a plastic bowl and plastic whisk, guys. No metal, please, no metal, because you're going to have a reaction completely different to what you see there, and we don't want that. Anyway, it's too watery to my liking, so of course I'm going to add more. And yeah, I'm going to definitely need more because I have a head full of hair. Ever since I started to use that, I want to need some more water. So good thing yep, there we go. Good thing I had some water sitting by. Just gonna pour some of that in there. Clearly I poured a little bit too much in there, which you see there. So I'm gonna add some more clay. That ain't the point, guys. The point is I'm gonna be needing a lot of this clay anyway. So yeah, just keep mixing until you get it to the texture that you like. Again, it's to the texture that you like, guys. This is pretty much to each his own kind of experience, because I know some of my viewers like their texture watery, and then some of them like them super thick. I am in between, believe it or not. So yes, clearly I wasn't thinking, guys. I just grabbed whatever bowl that was clean and a decent size, I guess, that was nearby. And yeah, now I have to use a certain technique to get the corners. Yep, there you see it. So I didn't use a circular bowl. Oh well, I got a trick for that, as I always do. But anyway, I'm just going to keep mixing and mixing and mixing. And you guys already know, flick of the wrist, girls and guys. Yes, flick that wrist. Anyway, yeah, so just keep mixing until like it's smooth and no clumps or anything like that. It may take a while because you should add a little bit, like 1 part clay and 1 part water, but little by little. But you guys know me, I just do whatever. Hey, do whatever your heart feels, okay? You guys know how we do it over here in my channel. But yes, guys, keep mixing. I'm going to be honest with you, I literally had to make this, I think, 2 or 3 more times. So, of course, I should have gotten a larger bowl, but that's not the point. The point is to make sure that I'm gathering all of the bits and pieces at the corners and the sides there that my large whisk obviously cannot get to. I just grabbed a spoon, a little wooden spoon. Again, no metal, guys, no metal. So a wooden spoon will do. It will suffice. And as you clearly see there, it works. Yep. And then again, keep mixing because you want to get all the clay. You want to get it all. Yes, this is the texture. This is perfect for me. I love this texture. Look at that beautifulness. Just look at it. And yes, I did. I said beautifulness. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And of course, this is my setup. But thank you all. Bye.